In this tutorial we're going to talk about how to make a Reddit community page. So we're going to go in the Reddit tab, and once we're on the home page we're going to go in the top right corner and press on our character icon. Then we're going to go to the create a community tab. So the requirements to make a community page: you need to be a user for longer than 2 weeks, I think, and you need to have positive karma, and then you can do this. Then we can have the option to add a banner and an avatar. We're gonna skip that for now. Then we're gonna choose what kind of community topics we're gonna have for our community. Let's just go random once for the round. We're gonna press next. We can choose who can view this community. So if you want it to be public, restricted, or private, I'm just gonna choose private for now. And we can choose if we want to be not safe for work community or 18+. Then we're gonna press next, and that's basically it. We have created a new community. Anyways, thank you for watching. Make sure to leave a like, share, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.